The James Webb Space Telescope is taking us back in time to see the first galaxies form after the Big Bang. Meanwhile, NASA's Perseverance rover continues exploring the Martian surface. The galaxy in question is called A2744, which is located in the constellation of Volans, the flying fish. In the new observations, 2744 appears as a tiny red dot, but don't be fooled by its diminutive stature. This week, the space agency shared new images taken by the rover South SuperCam instrument showing close-up details of the rocky Martian terrain. The rover is currently in the process of climbing up the crater wall to continue its mission. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about the amazing discoveries made by Webb, check out our countdown to the first images from the James Webb Space Telescope. And for more about Perseverance, check out our playlist, All About Mars. NASA plans to retrieve the samples brought back by Perseverance using a future mission called the Sample Retriever Lander, which will launch in 2027. Scientists are eager to get their hands on the Martian samples as they believe they may help us learn more about the planet's history and whether or not it ever hosted life. The photos include the first close-up view of the drill hole made by the rover's core, which is designed to extract samples of rock and soil from the planet's surface. According to NASA, the drill will eventually be used to collect material from an area called the Jezero crater, which scientists believe may contain evidence of ancient life. It's home to some 2 trillion stars, just as many as our Milky Way. However, A2744 is only 100 million light-years across compared to the Milky Way's 100,000 light-year diameter. So its stellar population is crammed together in a much smaller space. And because it's so far away, A2744 as seen by Webb is actually as it was just 900 million years after the Big Bang. At that time, the universe was still very young, just 5% of its current age. What new discoveries can we report this week from these 2 intrepid explorers? That's coming up. This is our space news. While the galaxy may appear as just a faint dot, Mathers says that with Webb we can actually dissect it and see the different populations of stars within it. Webb's unprecedented infrared capabilities allow it to look further back in time and deeper into space than any other telescope. Scientists hope to use the data from A2744 to better understand how the early universe evolved into the cosmos we know today. For the first time, the James Webb Space Telescope has peered inside a forming galaxy more than 13 billion light-years away. In a statement, Webb project scientist John Mather described the observations as nothing short of spectacular. Meanwhile, NASA's Perseverance rover is making new discoveries on its mission to explore the surface of Mars. Perseverance touched down on Mars in February 2021. Since then, it has traveled more than 8 kilometers across the crater floor, collecting rock samples along the way. As both the James Webb and Perseverance continue their missions, we can expect even more exciting discoveries in the months and years to come.